welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to build a debt-free snowball tab from scratch in Tyler plus Google Sheets. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So now, building a debt-free snowball in Google Sheets with Tyler involves using the automatically fed bank data to manage a custom tracking table. Now, first of all you got to do is simply make sure that your Tyler is set up. Once you have done this, your balances and transactions should automatically populate in tabs like balances and transactions, and you must locate your data. So once you have done this, you need to create a new tab in your Google Sheet. Now, all you got to do is simply go and tap open your Google Sheets. So once you have opened your Google Sheet, you need to create a new tab in your Google Sheet and title it with Debt Snowball Tracker. Once you have done this, you need to now set up headers. In the first row, create the columns like A1 creditor, B1 starting balance, C1 interest rate, D1 minimum payment, E1 extra payment, F1 total payment, G1 remaining balance, and H1 debt paid off. Now you need to input and prioritize like your debts. You can list your debts, enter your details, prioritize it, and add formulas as well. After this, you are all set. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.